Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, students.
Morning, sir.
How do you feel today?
Great. How about you, sir?
I'm really good. Thank you for asking. By the way, did you review our latest topic at home?
Yes, we are.
We did.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good because if you review and learn at home, you will have a better knowledge than those who did not learn at home.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now, did you? How was the homework that I gave to you last week? Anyone can tell us?
Me, sir.
Yeah.
It is about greeting card.
Yes, a greeting card. Did you do that at home?
Yes, I am.
I did.
Oh.
It's supposed to be yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
Okay, great. Yeah. Last week we have learned about greeting card. What is greeting card? How to the function of greeting card? How to write a greeting card and the structure of greeting card. And now we jump to another chapter of the book. But I'm not gonna tell you what is the topic. As usually, I'm gonna give you something, and you will need to guess what is our topic for today. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Before we start our lesson, I want to check the attendance list first. Anyone absent today?
No, sir.
Okay, good. That's really good. I really appreciate your attendance to this class today. So, oh yeah, before that, we have to pray first, okay, to open our class. Let's say Basmalah together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, now, I have a video. I provided a video, a learning video. You will need to listen carefully, and then I want you to guess specifically what is our topic for today. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, the video is over. And now, can anyone tell something about the video?
Me, sir.
Yeah, please.
The video is very interesting. I really love the animated video and the music.
Yeah, I do really love this this video also. But can anyone please tell about the topic? I mean, what is the video about? And it is related to our topic today.
Me?
Specifically. Yeah.
Me, sir. I'm
Yeah.
gonna try it. The video is about the topic of video is talking about there is and there are words, sir.
Yes. That's a really correct answer. Give applause to him.
Thank you.
Okay. Our topic today is about there is and there are. Okay? I'm gonna explain to you what is there is and there are, but before that, I'm gonna give you a worksheet. Before that, I want you to sit in pairs, find your partner, and please work together with them, with him or her. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Here.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Okay, now I'm going to explain about there is and there are. There is and there are is a word in English that function to tell someone about the existence of something. To tell the existence of something. Okay. In Indonesia, there is and there are has same meaning, which the meaning is ada. There is ada, there are also ada. Okay, so what is the difference between there is and there are? We use there is for singular object. Singular object we use there is, and for plural object we use
There are.
Okay. Now let's see around you. Look around you, and please someone tell one thing that we can see that is existent in this room.
Me, sir.
Yeah.
There is a board marker on your hand.
Yeah, there is one board marker. If I hold one board marker, we use there is because only one board marker. This is the example. There is a board marker on your hand. But how if I hold two board markers? What should we use? There is or there are?
There are, sir.
Yeah, there are. So how do we write this sentence using there are?
Me, sir.
Yeah.
There are two board markers on your hand.
Yes, that is correct. There are
Two
board markers
on your hand.
Okay, that's correct. Give applause to him.
Thank you.
So, could anyone please tell another example that is exists in this room?
I'm gonna try, sir.
Yeah.
There are a whiteboard in front of me.
Yeah, a whiteboard in front of us. Okay. If there only one board marker in front of us, what should we use? There is or there are?
There is.
There is. Okay, good. How do we write it?
There is
There
is
is
a whiteboard
a whiteboard
in front
of
of us.
But how if the board marker are two board marker in front of us? What should we use? There is or there are?
There are, sir.
There are. That's correct. So how do we write it?
There are
two
whiteboard
a whiteboard
in front of us.
in front of us. Okay, give applause to him.
Thank you.
Yeah, that is the example of the use of there is and there are. One last example. Now, I'm holding 3 books on my hand. What should we use? There is or there are?
There are, sir.
Yes. Why?
Because it is a plural object.
Yes, this is plural object. The plural is more than one. So if I hold 3 books here, it means this object is plural. So how do we write it?
There are
Are
3
3
books
books
on your hand.
on your hand. And for the singular, please, can anyone tell based on this example?
Me, sir.
Yeah.
There is one book
one book
on your hand.
on your hand. That is really correct. Give applause to him. Okay, now overall my explanation in our lesson today. Any questions so far? Anything you can ask, anything that you do not understand.
Me, sir.
Yeah. What is the question, please?
Can we use there is or there are to tell the existence of something in the past?
Oh, yeah. Can we use there is or there are to tell something, the existence of something
In the past? Yes, sir.
Yeah. The answer is yes, we can. But in different way. There is and there are. We use this one, there is and there are, in present tense. In present tense. So in the past, we use past tense. We just have to change the auxiliary from is to was. And for are, we use were. So if we want to tell something in the past, an object in the past, we use was for singular object, and were for plural object. For example, right now I'm holding a book, and there is a book on my hand, and someone stole this book from me, and now the book is disappeared. How do we say that the book is on my hand 5 minutes ago? So how do we say it? There?
Me, sir.
Yeah, come on.
There was
A
a book
book
on your hand
on
your hand
your hand
5 minutes ago.
5 minutes ago. Yeah, this is the example of telling the existence of something in the past. And if the object is more than one, we use were. We just have to change the words. And if the book is more than one, for example, there are 3 books stolen from my hand. So how do we say it in past tense?
There were 3 books
3 books
on your hand.
on
Your
your
hand
hand
5 minutes ago.
Yes, that is the answer of your questions. Do you get it? Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, my explanation is over. Now, I want you to work with your worksheet. There are 2 worksheets that I gave to you. The worksheet A and worksheet B. And in the worksheet, there is a picture. And in the picture, there are many stuff contains in the picture. So you have to write a sentence. You make a sentence based on stuff that you can see in the picture. Okay?
Okay, sir.
I'm going to give you 5 minutes to finish your worksheet. Okay, time is up. Now, I want some of the group read the different example from the A and the B worksheet. Anyone?
Me, sir.
Yeah, please.
I got the worksheet A
Worksheet A.
and
Wait a minute, hold. I'm gonna erase first. Okay, the A.
The sentence is
Sentence is
there are
there are
2 donuts
2 donuts
on the table.
on the
Table.
table. How about the number B? The pair, the number B.
There are
There are
3 donuts
3
donuts on the table.
on the
Table.
table. Okay. Any other answer?
Mister,
Yeah, please.
there is a plate.
There is a plate.
There is a plate of donuts
Of donuts
on the table.
on
The table.
the table. Which one is correct? All of your answer is correct. There are 2 donuts on the table. For number A is correct. There are 3 donuts on the table is also correct. And how about this one? Is it wrong answer? No, it's a correct answer also. But your friend answered the question, write the sentence in different way. He wants to bold the plate. There is a plate of donuts on the table, but in the plate there are some donuts. Okay, that's a really good answer. I do not expect that. Okay, now all of the group have present their answer. Now I want a volunteer, one of you, to resume our topic that we have learned in this lesson today. Anyone?
Mister,
Yeah, please.
today we learn about there is and there are function to tell about the existence
Existence
of something.
of something, yes. Only that? Yeah. Anyone can add the answer?
Mister,
Yeah, please.
I can also conclude that the use of there is and there are to tell something in the past by changing the auxiliary.
That's really good. Thank you for your participation to resume our learning for today. So I'm gonna do a reaffirmation. Our today's topic is about the use of there is and there are, and the function of there is and there are is to tell about the existence of something, to or someone, to tell the existence of something or someone to anyone. And we can also use there is and there are to tell about the existence of something in the past by changing the auxiliary. From the first one, there is, for the singular, we use is in present tense, but in past tense we use was, and we use were for the plural in the past. But in present tense we use present time, we use are. And the example, one of the example of the use of there is there is a bore marker on your hand. And if the object more than one, we use there are. There are 2 bore markers on your hand. And the example of the using of there is and there are in the past is, we take this example. There was a bore marker on your hand 5 minutes ago, and if there is more than one bore marker on my hand, we use were. There were 2 bore markers on your hand. Okay. Any other question?
No, sir.
Okay. The time is up. Thank you for your participation today. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And to close our meeting today, I'm gonna tell you about our topic for next week. Our next topic is the use of a few, some, and any. Make sure that you learn and you found some resources about this one, so you can have more understanding for next week. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now the class is over. Let's say Alhamdulillah together.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.
Okay, thank you for your participation. Billahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.